Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story quality on iPhone. First, let's go into Instagram. Once on the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. Then select Settings. Then you're going to tap on Account. And from here, you're going to tap on data usage. And you'll see here, high quality uploads. You're going to turn that on. And by doing this, you'll be able to upload better quality videos or pictures on Instagram overall and especially on Instagram story. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.